for me.
People are also saying आपने तो राखी को competition दे दिया in terms of being relevant to the
Rakhi?
Yeah, being
I
relevant
love
to the
Rakhi.
field.
Rakhi Sawant.
Yeah.
Oh, she's the best. She's the best.
तो ये जो आपने 2-3 सूरज निकले हुए हैं अपने अंदर, माय आदि स्टाइल, इतना तेज जो आपके चेहरे पर है, चमक है, हाउ डू यू मेंटेन दैट?
ये आपने वो जो अदिति राव हैदरी के लिए वायरल रील बनाया था, ये उसकी बात हो रही है?
It went viral out of nowhere. I never hoped कि वो ऐसा होगा. So just like Sara Ali Khan is not married. You can
Okay,
have
then?
crush on her. Okay, Khushi Kapoor.
Then
Who else is there? Rasha Thadani.
done. Right.
Rasha you have crush on. दूसरी third one.
You said na first one.
Rakhi Sawant is your third crush.
Yeah.
Let me declare
Okay,
that.
done. मेरे साथ जिंदगी में ऐसी चीजें हुई हैं जहाँ पे मैंने मौत को बहुत करीब से देखा है। उस दिन मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया था कि अगर मैंने अपनी कहानी लिखनी है तो अपने तरीके से लिखनी है।
You also have a fake account?
Yeah.
अभी तक?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you do with that account?
I upload all my personal things and if they get a good reception then I put them on my main. Target audience, sorry, focus group, उसके बाद फिगर करता हूँ वर्क कर रहा नहीं कर रहा, फिर मैं
But it is with the original name of yours.
No.
Filmy Beat presents The Talking Stage with Ase Adi.
Today my day started very early. Usually मैं 11 बजे से पहले नहीं उठ पाता हूँ, लेकिन आज वीर पहाड़िया के लिए मुझे 8 बजे उठना पड़ा. But I'm happy doing that because you know somebody who has the Tej like sun, Veer Pahadia, welcoming you to Filmy Beats podcast.
Thank you.
The sky with the force, or the force and the sky and the Veer Pahadia. Really doing well, I guess. Tell me how is the experience? Things are coming out बहुत ही कमाल अंदाज में. So how overwhelmed are you right now?
सबसे पहले आपने बोला कि आप 8 बजे आपको उठना पड़ा, तो मुझे लगता है कि
That's a good habit.
हाँ, एटलीस्ट 4 का 8 हो गया है क्योंकि जो मेरे को स्टार थे उनकी वजह से हम 4 बजे शूटिंग शुरू करते थे। तो बड़ा कमाल का एक्सपीरियंस रहा है अक्षय सर के साथ। और हाँ, तो अभी मैं एक मॉर्निंग आदमी बन गया हूँ जो पहले मैं नहीं था।
अच्छा,
हाँ,
you were also late Lateef and waking up late and all.
आई लाइक टू वर्क इन द नाइट समटाइम्स, बट डिपेंड करता है, अगर काम दिन में हो तो दिन में ही करेंगे। बट हाँ, टू आंसर योर क्वेश्चन,
Even I also feel रात में दिमाग ज़्यादा चलता है, मेरा तो स्पेशली. I get a lot of weird ideas to work on in the night.
मुझे लगता है रात को एक क्रिएटिव दिमाग चलता है, पर अगर वो उस काम को हमको प्रोडक्टिव बनाना है तो वो दिन में करना पड़ेगा।
Yes, that's a fact.
तो वो है।
क्योंकि फिल्म ने अच्छा कर ही लिया है, अक्षय जी के साथ सब कुछ हो गया है. You know, now we have come to a point where people are really wanting to see you more and more, है ना? वो pressure तो is also there because now you've given, you know, a wonderful performance. So how will you'll be, you know, having your career path, very commercial or very, you know, art culture kind of films that you'll be doing, because that is also, ना, अभी हो गया है ये कि actor has to decide कि हमें अपना path कहाँ लेकर जाना है.
तो आई थिंक आदि मुझे हमेशा, मतलब मेरा एक कोर रीज़न इस इंडस्ट्री में काम करने का ये था कि मुझे एक अभिनेता बनना है और मुझे कलाकार बनना है। तो मैं एक तो अभिनय में तो दिलचस्पी रखता ही था और मैं म्यूज़िक में भी इंटरेस्ट है मेरा। तो मुझे लगता है कि ये सब जो चीज़ें, नंबर्स और ये जो भी अप्रिसिएशन है, ये बहुत बड़ी बड़ी चीज़ें हैं और मेरे स्कोप में नहीं है। बड़े यू नो स्टेक होल्डर्स है इसमें, तो उनके लिए है। और ऑफ कोर्स एक फिल्म को एक नंबर मिलना चाहिए, प्रॉफिटेबल होना चाहिए ताकि और फिल्में बनती रहेंगी। पर मेरा यही एक सोल रीज़न है यहाँ आने का कि मैं अलग कुछ काम कर सकूँ, एक अलग नाम बना सकूँ अपना। तो अगर मेरी कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी मुझे मिलेगी तो मैं अलग अलग किरदार खेलना चाहूँगा। और जैसे कि इस फिल्म में मुझे एक बहुत मेरा सौभाग्य है कि मुझे एक एयरफोर्स पायलट, एक रियल हीरो का रोल प्ले करने का मिला है मौका। पता नहीं आगे मैं कुछ और करूँ, आपको फिर से सरप्राइज करूँ।
But what is your personal favorite kind of, you know, films that you watch? Like, is it comedies that you love, rom-coms, or you know, yeah, historic kind of films that you're very keen for?
You know, like yourself, I also love Hindi movies.
Yeah.
लोग नो थोड़ा वो बोलते हैं कि हॉलीवुड मूवीज ऐसे हैं, ये मूवीज ऐसे वैसे।
We can't deny the fact we love Bollywood.
We are the best.
Yeah.
Yeah, do you know how much they copy us?
Yes.
We don't talk about it.
Yes.
I have seen it. I have seen American people, German people, and go mad on SRK's movies, mad on Salman Bhai's movies, mad on Akshay sir's movies. You know, I think Hrithik sir is way better looking than Chris Hemsworth. He's a way better looking.
I have my headline from here. Just
yeah, it's a bloody fact. Ask anybody.
Yes.
Put two photos together. So I don't think, I think as Indians, we need to be proud of our culture, of what we bring to the table. And India is a bloody superpower. It's just a matter of time, and we are here to change that, I think.
Also, you have very Hollywood face that people been saying है ना comments में, तो I'm reading all of that. So would you mind going to Hollywood and trying your luck there as well? Because of course, maybe आप शायद 10-15 फिल्में यहाँ पे करें, and then you will do that later on, or you're up right now also.
Like I told you, I want to take India to the world. I don't want to go over there and be small. I want to make India big.
अरे वाह.
Yeah.
क्योंकि you know, we all have such dreams working with big productions like Dharma, Sanjay Leela Bhansali. So do you have such, you know, इच्छाएं कि हाँ मुझे भी वो भी एक है जो मुझे टच करना है? You know, we have small goals कि भाई ये भी करना है, ये भी करना है, ये भी करना है.
मतलब ड्रीम तो है ही, पर मेरा सबसे बड़ा ड्रीम था मैडॉक के साथ पिक्चर करना. कि एक फिल्म थी जो मैं आई थिंक 9th या 10th में था, जो आई थी लव आजकल. तो उस मूवी ने मुझे पागल बना दिया था, क्योंकि उसका साउंड ट्रैक तो एक है. इतनी स्टाइलिश फिल्म थी, इतनी क्या बोलते हैं, मॉडर्न फिल्म थी. फिर कॉकटेल आई.
Yes.
So I think that changed the game and the way people looked at you know Bollywood films, and it was very aspirational. तो मुझे लगता है कि that was a very very big dream for me, and I'm very very honored to be part of this and to be I think I don't know if they have launched anyone before me, so I think that was a very very big thing for me.
People are also saying आपने तो राखी को competition दे दिया in terms of being relevant to the
Rakhi?
Yeah, being
I
relevant
love
to the
Rakhi.
field.
Rakhi Sawant.
Yeah.
Oh, she's the best. She's the best.
Being relevant to the content, because you are too much in our feed and we are loving you watching, dancing, you know, doing steps. And you also are very up for that, because I've seen you commenting on reels and whatever is funny, you go and do that. So how are you feeling that as well? Because you know, it's difficult. A lot of actors are doing projects, but they don't get that much. Last it was, I guess, Abhay Verma, जो इतना ज़्यादा viral हुए थे. उसके बाद it's you.
Yeah. No, Abhay is a great actor. I really, really loved his performance in Multan.
Even I loved his performance wherever I go.
He's very good. Talking about that, no, I think what Rakhi Khan has done is it's just insane.
Yeah.
She has created something and been so relevant for so many years. I remember मैं जब बहुत छोटा था, मैंने उनका स्वयंवर देखा था. I think वो बिग बॉस में भी आए थे.
Yes, yes.
हाँ, तो
मेरी मुंडी टूट गई बिग बॉस. She has done that.
And she's so entertaining in all her things, and she has been in the news for so long. So it's a very very difficult thing to do.
So she still has gone to Pakistan and getting married. Oh my god. Too many things.
I would love to meet her if she's listening to this.
हाँ?
Yeah.
She's very chill.
Yeah.
क्योंकि है ना, चीज़ें बढ़ रही हैं. इंडस्ट्री हैज़ ऑल्सो चेंज नाउ. एवरीथिंग हैज़ बिकम वेरी डिजिटल एंड वेरी यू नो वेरी प्लान्ड. आई ऑलवेज से दैट. बट यू नो, एज एन एक्टर आपको खुद की सुंदरता मेंटेन करके रखनी पड़ती है. तो ये जो आपने 2-3 सूरज निकले हुए हैं अपने अंदर, माय आदि स्टाइल, इतना तेज जो आपके चेहरे पर है, चमक है, हाउ डू यू मेंटेन दैट?
ये आपने वो जो अदिति राव हैदरी के लिए वायरल रील बनाया था, ये उसकी बात हो रही है?
It went viral out of nowhere. I never hoped कि वो ऐसा होगा. So just like you also have that.
No, I think it's important कि आप अपने हेल्थ को प्रायोरिटाइज करिए. ये मुझे अपने को स्टार अक्षय सर से भी ये सीखने मिला कि सूरज के साथ उठो, और सूरज जब डूब जाए तब खाना बंद करो और जल्दी सो जाओ. फिर तुम्हें रात को कोई आइडियाज़ नहीं आएंगे ज़्यादा खाने की, टाइम वेस्ट करने की, सोशल मीडिया पे बर्बाद करने की. तो हाँ, टाइम पे खाना खाओ, टाइम पे वर्कआउट करो, और एक अच्छी सोच, थिंक एज अ गुड पर्सन.
आप आखिरी बार कब रोए थे?
रोए थे मैं हर बार क्लाइमैक्स देखता हूँ तो रोता हूँ. बहुत कमाल की, मतलब आप अगर इंसान हो, अगर आप ह्यूमन हो, और आप में नॉर्मल ह्यूमन सेंसिटिविटी है, एक एम्पैथी है, तो आपको फील होगा उसमें. और मैंने एक गो में फिल्म अभी तक देखी नहीं है, पर मुझे याद है जिस दिन मैंने कहानी सुनी थी, और फिर अभी मैं थिएटर विजिट्स में काफ़ी गया हूँ, तो हर बार वो इमोशन वहीं लैंड होता है और वहीं पे मैं टूट पड़ता हूँ.
ठीक है. So I'll go with the rapid fire round with Ursi Adi. I have here Pahadia with me. I'll ask you very quick questions. Up to
Is it going to be spicy?
Of course it's Adi. It has to be spicy.
Okay.
Bit sweet also. First thing you do when you wake up?
I brush my teeth.
Okay. First thing you do when you are on a date?
On a date?
If you have been.
I will pick her up.
You're already on the date.
Oh, I've already reached there. Then I will ask her.
What you'll be having?
Yeah, what will you be having? Yeah.
That is also I have given you an answer. Okay. One thing which annoys you when someone do it?
Lying.
how do you, like, you can't recognize it very quickly, no, but something like which irritates. It
Means
could
if
be
I'm
habit.
questioning you, I know you're lying. So tell me the truth.
Okay, that way. ठीक है. Your go-to song is?
Right now it's Sky for Sky album. यार क्या गाने हैं?
Your go-to meal is?
Go to meal. I like ice cream.
Which flavor?
Don't judge. I like mint chocolate chip. They call it toothpaste.
I have
ice cream.
not judged, just made the reactions with my face. Your dream marriage look likes?
Dream marriage would be in Ujjain.
Oh.
Yeah, simple wedding, close family, and
Very nice. A Bollywood actress you have crush on?
there's so many.
एक, चलो 3, given a chance.
3.
Not दीदी and all, हाँ? अपनी उम्र की, हम उम्र की बता.
अच्छा, मेरी उम्र के ही हैं, मतलब क्लोज ही हैं. दीपिका पादुकोण.
She is a दीदी to us. Come on, she's very senior.
You can't age
And she's
shame
also
her.
married.
You can't age shame her.
ठीक है. It's, oh my God. हाँ.
So Deepika Padukone. I think
You thinking?
you're making it very tricky for me. I think shit. Abhi now I'm trying to think of somebody who's not married. Give me options.
No, you. How would I be giving you option?
Okay,
if
give me
they-
5 options. I'll choose 2.
Sara Ali Khan is not married. You can
Okay,
have
then?
crush on her. Okay, Khushi Kapoor.
Then
Who else is there? Rasha Thadani.
done. Rasha.
Rasha, you have crush on. Dusri, third one.
You said the first one.
Rakhi Sawant is your third crush.
Yeah.
Let me declare
Okay,
that.
done.
You are very okay taking that?
Yeah.
ठीक है. Who do you stalk on Instagram?
I don't stalk on Instagram.
Never ever, nobody. कभी ऐसा तो
Means
नहीं.
पहले करता था, अभी नहीं
पहले
करता.
किसको करते थे आप?
सबको करता था.
ठीक है.
अपने ex को करता था.
हाँ, you've done that.
हाँ, सब करते.
The
झूठ
best-
बोलते अगर वो बोलते कि नहीं करते.
हाँ.
सब करते.
You also have a fake account?
Yeah.
अभी तक?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you do with that account?
I upload all my personal things, and if they get a good reception, then I put them on my main. Target audience, sorry, focus group. उसके बाद फिगर करता हूँ वर्क करा नहीं करा, फिर मैं
But it is with the original name of yours.
no.
The best thing of Sara Ali Khan?
I would say her dedication.
हाँ. Choose one. Dating a co-star or non-actor?
Depend करता है यार.
Hey, one.
I have not thought like that.
ठीक है.
लड़की अच्छी हो, if she is good, then anything is fine. It doesn't matter what she does.
Dates or night dates?
Date should be good.
Any date.
Yeah,
Spending time with your loved one or you with your friends?
loved one.
Green flag it is.
Yeah, I'm
movies in your computer screen with your partner or with your friends in the theaters?
Computer screen at home, Netflix and chill.
He has taken that 1 second thing. Chill. बोलते हुए. Okay. What is your like bad habit?
I don't know. I think sometimes now भी क्या है ना कि my team tells me I'm not eating that much because my mind is very wired. So I think that like I need to prioritize food.
What kind of girl do you want for you? Like 3 traits. This question
3
gets a lot of
traits. Okay.
traction.
Okay. The 3 traits to get to my heart.
Yes.
Be a good person. Don't be rude to people around you, whether they are bigger or smaller than you.
Okay.
That is a very important thing. The second thing is have a good heart. Okay. I don't think it matters beyond a point how the person looks. For me, it's important to be a good person. And the third thing would be to be a family girl. Like respect your parents,
Oh.
respect your siblings and your family, and that is important.
You're open to date your fans
Yeah, why not?
if they have 3 of the traits.
Yeah, I've also been a fan, no? So it's nothing big or small.
How do you define love? What is love for you?
Love. How do I define? Just there's no definition for love.
Still, I guess the sensibility of understanding love maybe. Like for me, it is putting the self-respect at the very first front, then everything else at the second. For me, it is that.
Love is taking time out and spending and sacrificing time spent with other people for you. That's love. Yeah.
Okay. What kind of lover you were? Or you are?
I am a mad lover.
Huh?
Yeah, passionate. Very protective.
Very protective.
Yeah.
What was the worst thing you've done in your past relationship?
Worst thing means what? I've
Like,
never done
bad
anything.
thing, no? Maybe, you know, when you overly, maybe you've called 1,000 times or whatever. Like,
No, I'm not a possessive guy. No, I'm a very trustworthy person. Maybe that's a bad thing also in today's day. But yeah, I'm very protective. So अगर किसी ने कुछ उनके बारे में बोला है तो मैं तो
लड़ जाओगे आप.
हाँ मैं लड़ा हूँ बचपन में, मतलब 15
How
साल
did you
का था.
propose? What was your way of like confessing love?
I'm very romantic यार. So I'm very like full jazz music,
Flowers
candlelight
and
dinner,
love letter and all.
yeah. Under the stars, full moon night kind of guy.
And then Netflix and chill at home.
Yeah. No, projector screen and yeah.
What is dream destination that you'll be taking your love to now?
महाकाल.
Oh,
Yeah.
you Jan, you love for.
मेरा अलग connection है वहाँ से.
है ना? How does it like play an important role for your life? Because Rasha has also been saying this because उनकी मम्मा is also very religious.
राशा को ले लिया.
अरे मतलब कि I'm just, you know, like I'm close to
Ravina
her
ji.
mother Ravina ji. So, and I'm also Krishna devotee and she's also Krishna devotee. So we have had this conversation of being religious and how it helps us, you know, being relaxed while we work so many things के ऊपर. So I want to know that factor of yours because as you are a fan of Shiva.
So I think एक चीज़ भक्ति ने मुझे सिखाई है कि इम्पोर्टेंट है ये जानने में ये जानने में कि दुनिया तुम्हारे अराउंड रिवॉल्व नहीं हो रही है, कि तुमसे भी बड़ी कोई चीज़ है. और ये चीज़ इंसान को ये सिखाती है कि अगर तुमसे बड़ी कोई चीज़ है तो अपने आसपास के लोगों से और सबसे अच्छे से पेश आओ, क्योंकि एंड में जो बचेगा इस दुनिया में वो तुम्हारी अच्छाई और वही जैसे तुमने दूसरों के साथ बर्ताव किया है. तो वो चीज़ मुझे भक्ति से मैंने सीखी है.
Also, like it's such saying कि आज सूरज है कल नहीं भी होगा, है ना? शाम भी होनी है, रात भी होनी है. Last thing I'm taking, क्योंकि PR जो हैं अपनी कुर्सी से थोड़ा सरक गई हैं. तो you know, are we also prepared for the faults that we'll be having during our journeys? And it is part of our life and industry where a film might do so good and then the next film might not do anything. And uske baad maybe you take time to come back. That is also a phase, I guess. Of course, you have friends in the industry. उन्होंने भी बताया होगा, जताया होगा. So how are you thinking on that perspective?
So मेरे साथ ज़िंदगी में ऐसी चीज़ें हुई हैं जहाँ पे मैंने मौत को बहुत करीब से देखा है. उस दिन मैंने डिसाइड कर लिया था कि अगर मैंने अपनी कहानी लिखनी है तो अपने तरीके से लिखनी है. तो अगर मेरा डाउनफॉल भी होगा, अब इस बात का श्योर हो सकते हैं कि मैं ही वो प्लान कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे अपनी कहानी अलग लिखनी है. और मैंने जिन लोगों को फॉलो किया है उनके हर किसी के कहानी में अप्स एंड डाउन्स होते रहे, तभी एक कहानी मज़ेदार होती है. तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि 30-40 साल बाद लोग मेरी कहानी को देखे बोले वाओ, दिस इज़ अ स्टोरी वी फॉलोड. सो ट्रस्ट मी, अगर आप कुछ देख रहे हैं तो द ऑड्स आर दैट मैंने ही वो प्लान.
And you can be very good Aditya of Jab We Met too, whenever it is like, I don't know if it will ever come in or not. You'll be very good Aditya, by the way.
You think?
I do think.
Okay, chalo, my good side is coming out.
Who will be having, you will be choosing as a Geet?
See,
if you are the Aditya.
अभी आपने मेरे को बोला है कि मैं आदित्य बन सकता हूँ. अभी मेरा काम है आपको सरप्राइज करना. अभी मैं बनूंगा कुछ और. अभी मैं बनूंगा, हाँ, अभी मैं वो बनूंगा जैसे आपको रॉन्ग प्रूफ करने हैं. ये मेरे अंदर का जो कीड़ा है ना वो निकल चुका है अभी. तो या आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट यू सेड दैट. एंड गीत कोई भी हो सकता है.
You're not that, you know, somebody who is conscious, who is the other lead, because nowadays that is also a thing. Actors gets a lot of consciousness about it कि who is the other actress, so that you know वो reflect होता है काम.
नहीं यार, every single actor is very hardworking, and I don't want to say this to sound boring, but अगर तुम आज एक्टर हो और इस इंडस्ट्री में काम कर रहे हो तो you cannot be lazy. तो सब मेहनती है, सबको कुछ करना है. And I'll be very happy if there is a person who's giving and who's supportive and making the scene better and working.
ठीक है. With that note, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed talking
Thank you so
to
much,
me.
Adi.
I really wish you do wonders like you have been doing, and you know, be as much as to our feats, because I am enjoying watching Veer Pahadi. I can't deny that fact. I can't just skip you like this. I just cannot, because whenever you come in, you have that charm, you know. We you know, put our eyes ki हाँ, somebody is dancing very good, somebody is looking very good on the screen.
Langri wala step.
Yeah, and girls are going crazy over you. तो या बाकी आप खुद देख लीजिए what you're supposed to do. Your message to fans, they are waiting to see you more and more.
Yeah. Hi guys, this is Veer Paharia. Thank you so much for all the love you have given for Skyforce. This is just the beginning, and I hope you all will support me, and I'll be able to bring a lot of nice great performances and great films to you guys. Love you all. Thank you.